Lordship indulgence in making a mention of Part 2, Item 2. Lordship, the matter may be
Item
come
number?
up next week, next Monday.
Part 2, Item 2, Your Honor.
Item 2.
If it can come up coming Monday, Your Honor. 9th.
Heard Mr. A.R. Malhotra, learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard Miss, what is your name?
Baby Laldin Zwali.
Baby Lal. You are
On behalf of my senior CGC, my lord.
appearing on behalf of Central Government Council. On request of learned counsel for both sides, let this matter be listed on 9th of February.
Your Lordship, Part 2, Item 9. If this can come up on Thursday, Your Lordship. 5th. It's in the hearing list, Your Lordship. It can no orders required. It can be taken up on Thursday.
Okay, we'll take it up on
Thursday.
Thursday.
This is for the whole week.
Okay. We need not to pass orders now.
Yes, Your Honor. This is for the whole week. Your Honor.
My Lords, if I may mention, Item 3 of Part 2. My Lords, I am standing as amicus in the matter. My Lords, it was somehow fixed today because it seems two orders were mixed up with another item, another case. So, my Lords, this may be put up after a week, my Lords. It's a NDPS judgment, my Lords. Appeal against conviction.
You want it to be taken up on a fixed date or?
My Lords, if your Lordships can grant us, my Lords, if 12th is convenient, my Lords. 12th of February.
12th for hearing may not be very good.
Or else, my Lords, any date after that, my Lords. Any date after that. 3rd week of February, my Lords.
Okay. Heard Mr. Zoran Roming Thanga, learned counsel for the
My Lords,
learned amicus curiae appearing for the appellant. Also heard Miss, who is the public prosecutor? Mary. Who is appearing for the state? Heard Miss, also heard Miss Mary
Okay.
El Chiante, learned public prosecutor. Learned counsel for learned amicus curiae prays for an adjournment on the ground of personal difficulty. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry.
obliged.
My Lord, I beg to mention Part 2, item number 11. I have taken the consent of the other party. My Lord, the matter may kindly be listed on next Monday.
It is in orders column. For what purpose it has been listed?
Hearing, for hearing.
Hearing list. Part 2.
Yes, Your Worship. Item 11, Part 2.
When you want it to be taken up? Monday?
Next Monday, if possible.
Okay, we'll take it up on Monday. We are not passing any orders.
Obliged.
Okay. Heard Mr. Laltan Puya,
Yes.
learned counsel for the appellant. Also heard learned public prosecutor. Learned counsel for the appellant has prayed for an adjournment. On what ground you are seeking adjournment?
For the convenience of the parties.
On the ground of personal difficulty.
Yes,
The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed on 9th of February.
Obliged.
My Lord, I beg to mention Item 1 from the hearing list, my Lord. This is RFA 29 of 2021. I'm appearing for the respondents number 1 and 2, my lords. But I've been belatedly informed that the respondent number 2 had passed away. So, my lord, this matter may come up after 2 weeks, my lord. I'll furnish the necessary
Who
documents.
is for the,
Yes, we are for the petitioners.
what is your name?
Anilal and Kul.
Any? Heard Miss, write her name. Also heard Mr. What is your name?
Si Tlan Thiang Lima.
C. Tan Thiang Li, Learned Council for respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2, who submits that he has been informed that who has expired?
Respondent number 2.
Respondent
had
number
expired.
2 has expired. Stop. The appellant, in view of the demise of respondent number 2, may have to take appropriate steps for substitution of the legal heirs of respondent number 2. Accordingly, this matter is adjourned for 2 weeks. Let it be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry.
Oblige.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention Part 2, Item 12. If the matter may be taken up tomorrow, February 3rd, 2026.
Tomorrow?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay, we'll take it up to tomorrow. We are not passing any orders today.
Daily list for admission, item 1.
Please, Your Lordship, this matter pertains to the Mar People's Convention agreement with the state government. And Your Lordship, pleadings are complete on both sides. The matter is ready for hearing, but then due to some personal difficulties, we have discussed among ourselves, with Your Lordship permission, if this matter can be posted after 3 weeks.
This is a contempt matter.
Yes.
Whether the order has been complied with or not.
As far as the respondent is concerned, we have complied with, but then
They are saying that
they
it
are
is
saying
not.
that it's not complied with. So hearing
So
has
hearing
to be
is
conducted.
required.
Yes.
Okay. Heard Mr. N.C. Darlong, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Mary L. Kyangte, Learned Counsel for respondents / contemners. It is submitted at bar that this matter is ready for hearing. Let this matter be, and a request has been made by both the sides to post this matter after 3 weeks. Let it be done. List this matter after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry.
Be obliged.
Item 2.
Your Lordship, the petitioners have received the compensation amount in terms of the direction made by this court. So this contempt can be closed, my lord.
Which order was violated?
The
What was the direction?
direction was to pay interest if it is not paid in the stipulated period. And the sale order, my lord, is at page page 30, madam. This is the IA number 74 of 2022. The direction was that the deducted 15 cess,
15%.
15% cess, if not paid within the period of 6 months, an interest of 6% will be imposed.
upon the state government, and 6% interest has been paid by the state government last week.
Okay, what is your name?
Zoram Sana.
Zoram Chana. Heard Mr. Zoram Chana, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms. Mary L. Kante, learned counsel for respondent number 2, 4 and respondent number 7. It is submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that as the contemners have complied with the order dated 17/3/2022 passed by this court in WPC 31/2022 along with as well as the order dated 1/6/2022 passed in IA civil number interlocutory application number 74/2022. This matter may be closed. Stop. Considering the submissions made by learned counsel for the petitioner and as well as considering the fact that the contemners have complied with the orders which was alleged to have been violated by them, this contempt petition is hereby closed.
Grateful.
Item 3.
Michael, I am getting difficulty. Yes.
Well, the ID cards from respondent number 5, 3 and 5 are still awaited. And in the meantime, respondent number 7 is yet to file affidavit.
So what we will do, we will await further.
Await for ID cards service report from respondent number 3 and 5.
Heard Mr. L.H. Liandrima, learned senior counsel. Who is assisting you?
Ruth Lalrod Feli, CCR.
Assisted by Miss Ruth Lalrod Feli, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss
Baby Laldin Zwali.
Baby Laldin Zwali, learned counsel for respondent
Respondent
number
number 7.
7. It appears from office note dated 29/1/2026 that the service report in respect of notices issued to respondent number 3 and 5 are still awaited. Stop. Await further. You will be filing any
Yes, my lord.
learned counsel for respondent number 7 also prays for some more time for filing affidavit in opposition in this matter. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Okay.
Item 4.
It is too down. Little bit height. Okay. Okay. Yes.
My lord, we have received the affidavit filed by the respondents on 21/1/2026. So if I may given 1 week's time to for filing reply affidavit, if any.
Who is appearing for the respondent? This is a civil revision petition.
respondents have filed their affidavit on 29/1/2026. So if I may be granted 1 week's time to reply affidavit.
Heard. Miss, what is your name?
Valet Hamwani.
Write her name. Learned Counsel. Learned Counsel for the petitioner who submits that the this is item number 4.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, also heard Miss Mary L. Kente, learned government advocate appearing for respondent number 126. It is submitted by learned counsel for the petitioner that the respondents have submitted their affidavit in opposition on 1/1/2026. When?
29/1/2026.
29/1/2026. And as such, she submits that some time may be granted to the petitioner so that if required they may file their affidavit in reply. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry.
Item 5.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior CGC for respondent number 527. Lordship, may I seek another 3 weeks' time for filing affidavit in opposition?
Your Lordship, a similar criteria on behalf of the state.
Heard Miss Fabi Lalrin
Valet Hamwani.
Vanlan.
Valet Hamwani.
Vanlal Thanmuani, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Miss
Baby Laldin Zwali.
Baby Laldin Zwali, learned counsel for respondent number. For whom you are
For
appealing?
respondent number 527.
527. Also heard Miss Mary L. Kante, learned counsel for the state respondents. Both the learned counsel for the respondents have prayed for 3 weeks' time for filing affidavit in opposition in this case. The prayer is not objected to by learned counsel for the petitioner. Hence, same is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry. I'll take a small break. I'm getting difficulty in Yes, okay. Yes.
Item 6.
My lord, the respondents are yet to file their affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship, we are yet to receive the comments from the concerned department. If we may be given another 3 weeks' time for filing the affidavit in opposition in the matter.
Heard Miss Baby Laldin Zwali, Learned Counsel.
Your Lordship, it's Vanal Thamwani, with due respect. Yes. Vanal Thamwani.
Vanlal
Thamwani.
For the petitioner.
Sorry. Today there may be some difficulty in getting the names correct. Heard Miss Vanlal Thanwani, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Also heard Miss Mariel Kante, Learned. You are government advocate?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Learned government advocate appearing for the state respondent, who submits that as the state respondents are yet to receive the Paravis comments
Yes, Your Lordship.
from the respondents, hence some more time may be granted to them to file their affidavit in opposition. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks.
Deeply grateful.
For orders, item 7.
My lord, as per the last court's order, we have completed the newspaper publication in respect of the notice
Just a minute.
regarding respondents number 5 and 6. So I may be granted time to file for affidavit.
Yes, I could not get.
My lord, as per the last court's order, we have completed the newspaper publication
Okay.
in respect of the notice regarding respondents 5 and 6. So if I may be granted 2 weeks' time to file for affidavit.
Okay. You are Vanlal Thanwani.
Yes, my lord.
What's your name?
Linda.
Linda L. Famwell.
For respondent, state respondent 1 to 4.
It is submitted. Councillor नाम लिखी वो. Heard Miss Vanlal Thanwani, Learned Counsel for the appellants. Also heard Mr. Linda L. Famwell, Learned Additional AG,
Yes, madam.
appearing for state respondents. It is submitted by Learned Counsel for the appellant that appellant has taken steps for for service of notice on respondent number 5 and 6 through substituted mode of paper publication, and some time may be granted to them for filing an affidavit in compliance thereto. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry.
Item 8.
My lord, we have recently received information regarding the demise of the appellant. So if I may be granted 2 weeks' time to file for substitution.
Who died?
The appellant, my lord, Shri Zhou Sang Liana.
Okay. Same. Heard Miss Vanlal Thanwani, Learned Counsel for the appellant. Also heard Miss Linda L. Famwell, Learned Additional AG, appearing for respondent number 1. 1 or 2? Respondent number 1. As well as Mr.
Lobo
Maralte, Learned Counsel, appearing for
Respondent number 2.
respondent number 2. It is submitted by Learned Counsel for the appellant that the appellant has expired and some time may be granted to take steps for substituting the legal heirs of the sole legal heirs of the appellant, who appellant has expired, legal heirs of the appellant. The prayer is allowed. Let this matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Item 9.
Lordship, this is a criminal appeal, and by filing this criminal appeal, there is a delay of 273 days. And Your Lordship, the notice upon the respondents, number 1, regarding respondent number 1 is already died, Your Lordship. It died on 21/6/2021.
Respondent number 1 is?
Respondent number 1.
No, what is your submission?
Respondent number 1 already died, Your Lordship.
Died.
Yes, I've already submitted the affidavit regarding the death certificate. I've enclosed the death certificate.
Okay.
And regarding the respondent number 2, it's already completed on 12/6/2025. 12/6/2025, I have already filed the affidavit in this regard, Your Lordship. And regarding the respondent number 3, who is not able to trace, we have ID card was returned unserved, Your Lordship. Then I was allowed to publish in the newspaper, which I have already done, Your Lordship. And I have filed the affidavit for service upon the respondent number 3 on 29/1/2026, Your Lordship. So I have published in the 2 newspaper as directed by this Honorable Court.
How many respondents are
There
there?
are 3 respondents. 1 died, 2 already completed.
You are Union of India?
Lordship, yes.
Okay. None has appeared.
None has appeared, Lordship. I have published recently.
This is appeal against acquittal.
Acquittal, Lordship, yes. This is a forensic red case.
Heard Mr. Johnny L. Tochwang. You are Learned Counsel,
Lordship, I have a special PP.
Special Public Prosecutor. Learned Special Public Prosecutor appearing for the applicants, who submits that the respondent number 1 has expired on 12/6/2025.
21/6/2021.
21?
21.
21.
21/6/2021.
21/6/2021. Whereas the notice to respondent number 2 has been served. With regard to respondent number 2?
Yes, already served on 12/6. 12/6/2025.
Notice to respondent number 2 has been served on 12/6/2025.
Lordship, yes.
He further submits that in respect of respondent number 3, the notices were issued to them by way of substituted mode of paper publication, and the applicant has filed an affidavit in compliance thereto, annexing therewith the newspaper you have annexed?
Yes, Lordship. Annexed.
The newspaper in which the notices were, notice was published. What was the date of appearance given in that notice?
The Annexure 2 date is 14/01/2026. 14/01/2026.
Date of newspaper
Yes, Lordship.
and the date
And the second one is 08/01/2026. One is in the vernacular language and another is in the English newspaper.
No, what was the date of
Date.
appearance given in the notice? Where is the notice?
Notice.
In which page?
Also got page 6.
What was the date of appearance given in the notice? On which date the addressee had to appear? What was the date mentioned in the notice?
Also, date of appearance is not in the.
On or before 15/10, 15/1/26. I think this is
15/1.
15.
15/1/26. Last line case.
it's written here. On or before 15/1.
Published in the newspapers. The date of appearance given in the notice published in the newspaper was 15/1/2026. In view of the above, the notice issued to respondent number 3 is also held to be duly served on him. We can dispose of this
Also, yes, but or we may wait for some time because we have published.
They may
recently-
appear,
Yes, yes.
but the date was given on 15. They had to appear.
Also, we have published
That-
on 14/1/2026, so it's very close. The date of publication in newspaper
Okay.
and the date of appearance.
Okay, let this matter be listed again for hearing on the interlocutory application filed by the applicant for condonation of delay in filing the connected appeal after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by registry. Or should we fix a date?
We may fix also lots of anytime.
Next week, give a date.
10th.
10th of February.
Item 10.
As I appear for the petitioner, my lords, there are 6 respondents. 1 to 5, my lords, they are duly represented. Respondent number 6, my lords, they had preferred a legal aid counsel. Now, my lords, that letter of appointment has also been received by the legal aid counsel.
Who is the
My
legal?
lords, she is Miss Emily. I am appearing on her behalf. She has some personal difficulty today.
So appearance is complete.
Yes, and my lords, I'll supply the copy of the paper book to the legal aid counsel. The other counsels, my lords, respondents 1 to 5 have received. Only respondent number 6, legal aid counsel, I'll supply, my lords. The matter can be heard thereafter. Very small issue,
We will fix this matter for admission hearing.
my lords.
Heard Mr. Jordan Romin Thanga, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Ms.
Linda Zotan Luangi, respondent number 1.
Linda Zotan Luangi, appearing for respondent number 1, and Ms. Mary L. Kiante, appearing for respondent number state respondents. Also heard Mr.
C. Tlan Thiang Lima, on behalf of Miss Emily L. Changte, for respondent number 6.
Mr. C.
Tlan Thiang Lima.
Tan Thiang
Lima.
Lima,
My lord.
who submits that in this case, Ms. Emily has been appointed as legal aid counsel
For respondent number 6.
for respondent number 6. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he will furnish the paper book to the newly appointed legal aid counsel within
3 days.
3 days from the date of this order. Thereafter, this matter may be listed for admission hearing. Accordingly, list this matter for admission. What is the issue here?
My lords, the learned appellate court in RFA had condoned a delay of, my lords, 20 years. And, my lords, that 20 years was condoned as per our case, my lords, without any sufficient cause. So, my lords, those records are also annexed with,
When can we fix it?
my lords, 16th if possible, 16th of February.
Let this matter be listed on 16th of February.
Grateful.
Item 11 and 12.
Yes. 11 and 12.
My Lord,
Yes.
I have filed cross objection. The same has not been taken up yet. Cross objection is item number 12. In fact, item number 11 is the appeal filed by the claimant. And I am for the owner of the accident vehicle.
In item number 11, appellant
11
is the
is-
insurance company.
My Lord. No, claimant.
Claimant.
Claimant is the appellant.
Okay.
And the instant
Appeal is for what?
For enhancement.
Enhancement.
It seems. And I am for, in fact, the tribunal has directed me to make payment just because my driver was found to have consumed liquor at the relevant time of accident. So that is why I have filed the cross objection. Cross objection is at item 12. And no instruction.
No, both these matter will be taken up together.
Yes, my lord, it will be taken up together, but at the same time, no order has been passed in the cross objection case.
Okay, we'll
For
pass it
furnishing, my lord, order may be passed for furnishing a copy of the cross objection to the other party, my lord.
And your lordship, if I may, I for the insurance company, and they also filed with the appeal number 21 of 2005.
All these three may be taken up together.
Where is that appeal?
I don't think it's not listed today. So if it may be done together next time.
And what is the status in appeal? No, okay. But what is the status in appeal? Your appeal.
Yes, Your Lordship, in this matter appeal, all notice has been served.
Appearance is complete.
Completed, yes, my lord.
Okay. Write a common order in 11 and 12. Heard, Miss, what is your name?
Any LLM.
Miss Annie Lalen Kuali, learned counsel for appellant in MAC appeal number 17/2025. Also heard Mr. L.H.
Lian
Shima. How to pronounce it?
Lian Shima. Not very easy to pronounce, my lord.
No, it will.
Lian Shima.
Lian Shima.
Yes, my lord, that's very correct.
Lian Shima, learned senior counsel, assisted by Miss Ruth Lal Fairley, appearing for respondent number
1, my lord.
Respondent number 1, claimant in MAC appeal number 17/2025, as well as in the, no, let this order be passed in item number 11 only, okay? We'll pass separate order in fair.
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 390.
Also heard Miss Roshan Subedi.
Lobo Marathe.
Junior of Roshan Subedi.
Where is your name?
Item 11. This one, Lordship. This one. Logo Marathe. Next to
Logo Marathe.
Yes.
Also heard Mr. Logo Marathe, Lanit Council for respondent number 3, insurance company. Stop. The claimant respondent number 2 has filed a cross objection in this appeal, which has been registered as COB within bracket FA number 3/2025. Let the copy of the cross objection be furnished to the respondents as well as the appellant in MAC appeal number 17/2025. The cross objector shall furnish the copies within 2 days from the date of this order. Miss Lavama Ralte, how to pronounce your name? Lavama. Lavama Ralte. Learned Counsel for the insurance company has submitted that the insurance company has also filed another appeal which has been registered as MAC appeal number 21/2025, and he prays that same may be listed along with this appeal and cross objection. Registry to list the connected MAC appeal number 21 along with MAC appeal number 17/2025 before this court on the next date fixed. Let this matter be listed when?
After 2 weeks, madam.
After 2 weeks on a date to be fixed.
Let him be directed also to furnish us a copy of the appeal petition, madam. He has not yet furnished to us.
The insurance company is also directed to furnish the copy of memo of appeal along with annexures of MAC appeal number 21/2025 to the respondents before the next date fixed.
Madam, obliged.
Item 13.
What is this?
Lordship, this is also a criminal appeal against the acquittal. This is a secret case. Appeal is filed by the Union of India. Lordship, I have received a written objection from the
No,
respondents.
this I is for what?
I is for the condonation of...
Condonation. How much delay is there?
344 days.
This is also appeal against acquittal.
Lordship, yes.
The respondents have appeared.
I am representing all the respondents, madam.
All the respondents.
I have already filed my written objection against the IA for condemnation.
You have already filed or you will be filing?
I have already filed.
Already filed?
Yes, madam.
So we can hear the matter today?
Perhaps this may be taken up tomorrow, my lord.
Okay, we'll take it up. When have you filed? Heard Mr. Johnny L. Tochan. How to pronounce your title?
Tau Chong.
Tau Chong.
Lordship, yes.
Johnny L. Tau Chong, learned Special Public Prosecutor appearing for the applicants. Also heard Mr. Victor L. Ralte appearing for all the respondents, who submits that respondents have filed written objection against the prayer made by the petitioner. He also submits that this matter may be taken up for hearing tomorrow, to which learned Special Public Prosecutor raised no objection. Hence, the prayer is allowed. List this matter accordingly on 3rd of February.
Deeply obliged.
Item 14.
I'm appearing on behalf of my senior, Mr. about the make us in this matter.
Yes, Your Lordship. Notice to respondent number 2 is completed.
We have received a favorable report.
Michael, what is your name? I forgot your name.
Vane Siami.
Vanessiami, yes. Heard, Mr. What is your name?
Timothy Rintuan.
Be louder.
Timothy Rintuan.
Timothy Rintuan.
Heard, Mr. Timothy. This is item number?
14. Please, hearing on behalf of the senior Amicus.
Okay. Heard, Mr. Timothy. Appearing on behalf of the amicus curiae, Mr. Lalrung Kunga Pautu. Also heard Ms. Vanessiami, learned public prosecutor. Additional public prosecutor. What is this?
Notice to respondent number 2. And Your Lordship, it is completed, and if legal counsel may be appointed to represent the respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
This is a POXO matter.
POXO matter, Your Lordship.
Who submits that the notice issued to Yes.
My lords, I am for the applicant, my lord. Applicant, my lord. My lord, this I is for the withdrawal of statutory deposit rupees 25,000. My lord, the case is that on 2024. I have-
Appeal is disposed of.
Yes, my lord, already disposed of. On 2025, my lord. And,
Yes.
and my lord,
What was the fate of the appeal? What happened in the appeal?
My lord-
Appeal was allowed or
appeal was disposed, my lord. Appeal
disposed
was
in what matter?
upheld, my
Was
lord.
it dismissed or allowed?
Upheld, my lord, yeah, dismissed.
Mr. What is your name?
Arl Watfella.
Heard Mr. Al Fela,
Yes.
learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard Mr.
Cross Mintanga for the respondent.
Cross
Mintanga.
Himthanga.
Yes, my lord.
Cross Himthanga, learned counsel for the respondent. This interlocutory application has been filed by the applicant insurance company, praying for allowing them to withdraw the statutory deposit of rupees 25,000.
My lord, may I interfere with that? My lord, that amount was deposited to the bank account through the High Court registry.
Hmm.
So suppose if there is any interest, I might find any difficulty. So if I may be allowed that to include any interest, rupees 25,000 with interest, if any, my lord, if that is included.
Whether any such prayer is there?
My lord, at page 5. At page 5, my lord.
Yes. Okay. What was the last line? It's 25,000 deposited by the insurance company at the time of filing of the MAC Appeal number 2/2024. Learned counsel, for when have you deposited that money? Learned counsel for the applicant has submitted that the connected MAC Appeal number 2/2024 was dismissed by this court on 17/12/2020. No, on 29/4/2025. However, in the aforesaid order, no direction was given regarding return of the statutory deposit made by the applicant at the time of filing of this, at the time of filing of the connected appeal. When you deposited?
My lord, I think I have misplaced my.
Then how
I
you
think
can say that?
Somewhere on 2023, my lord, I suppose.
Learned counsel for the applicant has submitted that since the said deposit was made in the year 2023, hence the applicant may be allowed to withdraw the same along with the bank interest which has been accrued on the said deposit. Learned counsel for the respondents does not raise any objection to the prayer. I have considered the submissions made by both sides. since the connected MAC appeal number 2/2024 has already been disposed of, and since no order was passed therein regarding return of the statutory deposit made by the applicant at the time of filing of the said appeal, to which they are entitled to, this interlocutory application is disposed of with a direction to the registry of this court to return the statutory deposit of rupees 25,000 along with the no deposit is there. Where is the stay? No, unless the statutory deposit, have you given anything to show that regarding deposit made by you?
Yes, my lord, I have a copy to that, but unfortunately, my lord, today I think I misplaced that. I haven't found here in my file, my lord.
Stop. Cut the last line. The registry is directed to verify that verify the deposit made by the present applicant and verify the fact of deposit made by the present applicant in MAC appeal number 2/24, and if it is found that said deposit was made, same shall be returned to the appellant along with the bank interest accrued thereon from the date of deposit till the date of disbursement of the same to the applicant. This interlocutory application is accordingly disposed of.
Much obliged.
Hearing list, item 8.
My lord, this is a property dispute, and the respondent is not here, my lord. It can remain in the list, my lord. I'll inform them, my lord. I'm for the appellant.
So,
I'll inform the respondents, my lord.
when?
Tomorrow, my lord. I'll inform them to appear tomorrow, my lord. I don't know whether they are ready or not. Let it remain in the list, my lord.
Heard Mr. T.
My lord, I don't think a separate order is required to be passed, my lord.
Will not take it up to the...
Yes, my lord.
No, okay.
Since it's a weekly hearing list, my lord.
We'll take it up tomorrow.
Yes, my lord.
Any other?